So I'm actually here at my hotel here in Tijuana, Mexico, and I'm gonna make my way down to Mercado Hidalgo market here in Tijuana and go check that market out, and at the same time do what you call a walking tour and kind of see what's there en route to this market. So kind of two different things going on, but gives you an idea what's here as we go down there. So let's go. Right now I'm on Revolucion. So this is Revolucion, and we're gonna make our way down to the market from here. Now this is kind of like the main roadway here in Tijuana. It's definitely one of the better areas, to say the least. And there is the arch right up that way, but we are not going there. Get a little bit of a walking tour at the same time. So it's nice to see what else is going on here. Now we're going to come up to a major road, but I think I'm going to go to the other side. See all the different hotels around here. So straight ahead is where I want to go. Let's see, make sure everything's clear here. Yep. And head across. If you see that new construction, my hotel is right next to it. All these flower shops. This is called Roseland. Oh, what a setup this is. Nice. Feliz Navidad. Very beautiful. Here in Tijuana. There it is. And gonna make our way across the street and go see what's going on here, the inside. And this is all by peso, and I'm sure it's by kilogram. So you're not here.
Porque no hay costal, la que se va quedando ahí, pues que la gente no la quiere o así.
So, lots of fruits and vegetables. Probably at pretty good prices there. I mean, compared to, let's say, if you're in the U.S. Definitely a reduction here per kilo. So very, very good. These peppers, jalapenos, 16 per kilo. More of this market on the way. Kind of goes around in a horseshoe type area. Look at this right here. That's some cactus somebody's doing? see here. Let's see. Kind of give you an overview of what it actually looks like here. See these peppers. You crush those up. I mean, look at this lettuce. It's at 20 pesos. It's like 17 to the dollar. You know, that's what you're looking at. Just a quick walk through. Yeah. I didn't realize how, I mean, this is a pretty good sized market. Plenty of fresh fruit, vegetable. Very nice. Wow, it even goes in the, no, that's the exit point. These peppers. Nice. And this is kind of an overview. Kind of look at it. This is from the kind of surrounds the whole entire area. Get back in here.
No, lo vendíamos, pero ya no.
Really nice. Oh, this is that is camote, which is a potato. Piñata. Get them all. Nice. I just love how they have the exits around. How you doing? I mean, look, you gotta use a card just to get in here. I just came from over there. Look at this, you know, restaurant. Taken here. Let's see, check this, go back around the side. Look at this pottery right here. Wow. So this is all in pesos, you know, so you're looking at what, 109 pesos for that, which is really a good deal, especially around here. And yes. So kind of just a quick overview of
Oiga, para que afile el cuchillo. ¿Qué le damos? Permítame, caballero, para afilar un cuchillo, machete, las tijeras. ¿Okay? Hacia abajo, hacia arriba. Mira. Permítame, déjeme.
He's going to give me a demonstration how sharp this thing is.
Mira. Para el cuchillo, hacia abajo, hacia arriba. Para el cuchillo igualmente te sirve.
Muy fácil.
Fácil, fácil, rápido y fácil. No se acomoda así Lo puede agarrar con este hoyito que tiene aquí y ya nomás se agarra al revés.
So just to give you an idea on how this market is lined up, we started over there and then you just kind of circle around and then come around, and now we're back over here. So that is pretty much it here on the market. Go check out this last portion of it. That's the end of this video here of this beautiful market here in Tijuana, Mexico. And you know, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. You know, hit the like button, really does help out my content. And hope to see you in my next video. So see you from Tijuana. And this is the lasting shot of this market. So see ya.